All right, so looks like we are live. Let me just check if the audio is good or not. Okay, so audio is good. All right, so audio is fine. Let's go. All right, then. Let's jump into the repository because we are about to push some new changes, some refactored versions. Hmm. Okay, okay. So looks okay, I guess. Right, so let's check the new structure. This is the Explorer. Perfect. Integration. We have to refactor integration a little bit more. This is the libraries, asynchronous library and UI. Perfect, perfect. List, stack, tree. Pop-ups. We have auto commands as well. Nice. Oh man, I forgot to turn on the mic. Oh man, I think I'm audible at this point. Alright, so welcome to the live stream, boss man. Yeah, it's pretty silly. I almost forgot to switch on the mic microphone button. But it okay. Okay, so let's continue. So at this point, I'm just completing the integration, icon integration for Filer and Vim. We are by default support two icon provider. One is mini icon and another one is the NVIM web dev icons. And also you can choose a third option, which is none. Yeah, there might be some noise. I mean, some background noises in the stream. So please try to manage, guys. So let's take some references for, I mean, integrating web dev icons, it's not that easy because you don't have folder icons. You can see the creator of NeoTree also provides this thing like config, folder open or folder close. Yeah, you can see those icons are not available by default in dev icons. So creator has to manually put those icons in their positions like close, open, and empty. So it's such a pain to integrate and web dev icons. And I'm thinking as well to do the same for my plugin as well. But let's see how far we can go. Anyways, so mini icons. So this is the small integration of what to say, mini icons, nothing fancy. Next thing is the envim dev icons. So let's just protected call. Let's do a protected call, which is okay. Um, dev icons equal require for what to say, nvim web dev icons, right? Icons. And let's just print inspect dev icons like that. Let's try to run this. Yeah, so perfect. We have it. Now, if not, okay, or maybe we can assert those things. We can assert the same thing. Oh, sorry. Here. Um, like that. So here it goes, and we just have to return dev icons dot get. What are the functions? So get icon. What I was using previously. If I do icon Lua and go to line number 37, line number 30, not 27, it's 37. So let's quit that thing and we can do the same thing, right? We're just restructuring my code base actually. So this is name. Well, actually, it's not name, it's a full path. to that file which where we need the icons. So then development.fn modified. That's so. Right. All right. So let's try to test this thing, right? So wait just a minute. Wait just a minute. We can do. I mean, we can make another file. Oh, okay. We already have it. So integration. So how we can provide that thing? Just simple. Hmm. Let's do a little bit of typings. Mini icons, right? Let's assign it a class, mini icons, or mini icons in the integration. Mini icons integration, and in the same way, we will be nvim web dev icons as well, like that. And that will be nvim web dev icons, right? Nvim web dev or dev icons, just like that. So the next thing is the icon init, and let's do like that. Icon integration, icon integration, and it could have some fields. Is there in chat? Nothing. So we have a mini icon, right? So mini icon, mini icon, like that. That's the thing. Mini icon, like that. And it will be a mini icon integration, and same for nvim web dev icons. Icons, right? nvim web dev icons integration, something like that. And we can do like set meta table for this m, and like that. This is a table and we don't need that, just need the key value thing, right? So what's the next thing? Next thing is just to extract the icons. We can do something like so. Well, actually, all right, so that's fine. You can rename those things as well, like that. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's move those things, right? And now we can do exact return of those modules. So module uh, mod module is equals to p call. Actually, let's do well, well. We don't need that. We just simply return that thing. We don't need a protective call. Right, so we just have to compiler dot integrations icon and just attach the key with a dot. That should be it. I think I did the same thing here uh, for pop-ups. Yeah, it's the same, but not for call. It's an index thing because we have to make an index for new entries whenever a user try to, or a developer tries to um, point to any specific field of a table, which is this one. Then we redirect those things to corresponding modules. Simple. Simple enough. And guys, you might be thinking what I'm doing here. I mean, most of the things kind of bouncers for you. Maybe if you are first time here. So there is one more thing to make my code base a little more consistent, which is not this one, is this, yeah, this one. I don't want to modify those things. So I will modify that manually, like that. Let's try to open Filer, and it's worked flawlessly. Now let's replace our new icon provider, right? So how we gonna do that? UI Lua for this thing, right? Okay, so icon provider. So we will not going to fall back on some other things, right? Um, mm, mm, mm. Icon and config.values.icon provider. Yeah, that should do the trick. Let's go to configuration and mini icons. Instead of mini icons, we will do mini underscore icons to match the module naming. And right here, like that. So we will do something else. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Same thing here. Here you go. And we don't have those things like we have none, but we don't have any minimal option. I mean, not anymore. So what's the next thing? All right, so we are almost done. I mean, there are so many things to be implemented actually. Like here, if I go to issues, um, this one is kind of simple, but uh, there is also one more thing that I want to do. Where this thing? Yeah, this one. This request is, you know, hanging for so long, and I was so busy on refactoring the code base to a better one that I can't even touch this issue once. But now I think I can complete this one. So let's try to do that thing in today's stream. So let's moving fast. Let's move fast. Okay, that thing is committed. I'm not sure about how this thing will work on if I go up a directory like that and try to open anything like this thing. No, this one, user. Yeah, looks like all always working. But if anything goes wrong, it's not a big deal to fix that thing. I mean, just we just have to keep an eye on the active issues, and everything will be fine. Unreachable code. What do you mean? Okay, I can provide a is equals to this thing. I can provide a is equals to this thing like that. Super simple stuff. So let's stage that thing and extend that into the previous commit. Perfect. Anyways, so how you guys doing today? Is there anyone in the chat? I hope you enjoying the stream till now. Maybe. Wait just a minute. Undefined get. Okay. So we have a problem here. So we can't do that thing like that. So let's integrate. Let's change something in the integration thing, like in the init section, we can do like why I'm printing this thing. I don't know. Okay, so provider, or maybe I can provide it. Let's be formal, a little bit formal. Let's return a function which takes a type, a name, or maybe path, and just icon provider, right? And we will return icon provided or get with type and path. We have to do this thing because if user want to add some custom icons, like if user want to provide a custom icon provider, then there is no necessary need of a extra get function. We can just directly call that icon provider to get our icons. It's that simple. So let's see how this thing goes. Yeah, looks fine to me. Let's try those things with mini icons as well. Mini icons. Let's try to do that with a little bit an error. Let's raise an error because we don't have mini icons installed in this configuration. So let's try to change this to mini icon. It should raise an error. Like, yeah, you can see mini icons are not installed or not loaded. So yeah, awesome. So we have to just um, install those things, right? So nvim or nvim mini slash, I forgot what is this thing. Readme mini nvim mini. So I was right. Mini dot icons. All right, so let's try to install that thing. Nice. Let's try to do that thing. Mini icons are not installed or not loaded. Something wrong? Probably, because if I do like underscore g dot mini icons, yeah, mini icons are not loaded yet. This is the new value. So how we can do that? How to load those things? Or we can do one more thing, like um let's go to web dev icons and let's copy those things from here and do that thing here. Um, are you using AI? Not built into neovim actually. I mean, I use AI for like um, some test implementation or some basic, you know, basic repetitive tasks. And those free LLMs are enough for me, like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, or maybe sometimes Claude. These are enough. I don't need any built-in AI integration for neovim. I don't use those things too often. So whatever. Mini icons. Mini icons like that, and we'll do mini icons like that. So that should do it, right? nvim web dev icons are not installed or are not loaded. Let's see. Link is not a supported category. Wait, what? Hmm. Um, that shouldn't happen. fs lua. If I go to list here, the more than humanity uses AI, the less able it will be to think for itself. Yeah, that's I agree with this thing. I mean, I remember those times when when the AI was, introduced to world and I discovered ChatGPT. I was, um, shifting my whole workflow to ChatGPT instead of doing my own. And at that time, I was in the learning stage, and I try to do all the things with those LLMs. And at that point, I realized like uh, I, I mean, I wasn't able to do like certain simple tasks like a some sorting algorithms or some searching algorithms when I was a competitive programmer, and I was thinking like, what the hell I'm doing? So by that point, I was just using AI for some boilerplate code or some random code generation, but not for my core logics. Also, AI is not that on generating bigger codes. I mean, not exactly bigger codes, but the bigger logics in efficient code manner. I mean, if you just ask ChatGPT to implement a simple linked list data structure, which we are using here, like this thing. This is the linked list data structure. If I want ChatGPT to generate this code, it generates so much crap, like so much. We don't need those thing in our plugin. I but I clearly specified those things, all the requirements, but ChatGPT still do so many um, extra wrapping or abstraction around your logic, which harder to maintain those things. It's not that easy to maintain bigger code bases. I mean, why I need 200 lines of code for linked list that I don't even need those advanced functionalities. I don't need advanced functionalities for linked list. I just need a simple linked list data structure which can store data. That's it. Just simple operations like insert, some iteration. That's it. So I have to implement that by myself. It's that simple. But yeah, I can't say that AI is useless. AI literally useful, but um, it has its limitation. So by the way, let's move on. Where we are, where we are, where we are, where. So mini icons. This is the mini icons thing, right? So, oh, okay, dokie. List dir. In list dir, we have some things like those. So we're providing those things to here. Entry.type. No, I don't want to, provide a type like this. Yeah, not like that actually. So we just provide a simple resolve type. That makes sense, right? Just the resolve type, nothing special. Where is this thing coming from? Like a resolve path. Like a resolve path. Okay, got it. So that could be nil, right? So I'm gonna do entry.type then. So first I will do the resolve path, then resolve type. That's the thing. That's all I need. So let's try to do one more time. And yeah, mini icons are working. You can see those icons are coming from mini icons. Perfect, perfect. Hmm. By the way, we are just, I mean, we are not, dump everything from mini icons to our plugin. We are a little tweaking the directories color. Like mini icons comes with so many different colors for different directories. So we are just, make all the directories to the blue color. It is much nicer for your eyes to catch up those things, instead of just a different rainbow like colors for different directories. It's such a pain to focus on these colors. If those are directories, they are same, so we just color them blue. So this is a kind of a tweak to what to say, mini icons, right? What's the next thing? Okay, first we have to integrate those, I mean stage those things. Let's stage all of them. Right. Let's stage all of them and let's extend those things. Perfect. Got it. Perfect. Let's reopen it and try to test those things against some Okay, so this is a simple test directory. So let's create hello dot lua. Let's create a world.lua here as well. And is there anything else? Like, yeah, I have to copy this init to pinit.lua, and I want to move this init on relo dot to hello. Let's see. So all operations are working fine, right? So we have pinit.lua, which is copied from init.lua. We have new file hello.lua, a new file world.lua, and a renamed file, which is the hello.lua from relu. So let's delete those extra line. That perfect, flawless. So what's the next thing? By the way, I really don't like mini icons. They are too distracting. So I'm gonna disable those things in my configuration. So let's do those. Let's shift to nvim web icons. Disable and uninstall those icons. Yeah, those are nvim web dev icons. Perfect. Perfect for me. And does we need anything else? No, I guess. So it's time to implement some tests, guys, because our tests are kind of broken at this point. If I do make lint, linting is also broken actually. So what we do, we have to do, okay, which file? Okay, line number 76 for UI Lua. Line number 76. Wow, this is this is not 76. This one is so if what I'm doing here, I mean, come on. This linting error is so obvious. Lint, so linting pass, make, yeah, tests are literally broken. So we have to re-implement all the tests. So first I have to commit those things. Like what? Wait, what? Okay. Okay. Well, we can use, I mean, we can ask LLMs to implement some tests because they are so time consuming to do that. Okay. And by the way, I have to do one more thing. Like if I do a tab completion for filer, this will gives a wrong field, which is current working directory. It's no longer current working directory, is the dir option. So let's go to plugin, this here, and it's not cwd anymore, it's dir, because cwd doesn't make any sense. Dir is much more relevant for this. Dir, I mean, from which directory you want to launch the filer explorer, that's the whole thing. So if I do this, and you can see here, if I do home 11 the username, you can see we can launch that directory here. And if I do workspaces, am I misspelling something? Just a minute. Did I do something wrong? No, not at all. Um, okay, so we have to, okay, got it. I got it. I think I have to delete the previous instances before opening the new one. So where is this explorer thing? Hmm. So we have to close the previous one as well. All right. So let's go and go to filer Lua. Um, filer Lua. Wait, what? Filer Lua. Listen. So in the Open API for Explorer, we have to um, okay, so I got it. So if explorer instance dot dir is not equals to instance dot dir that we going to open, then we have to explorer what are what I'm doing here. It's not dir actually. It's current. So explorer um when close, or I can do something like action for and close, like, and let's call this thing as well. We can do this thing here before opening the first one, right? Okay. No, we have to do this thing before all the if blocks. So what we do is we have instance, right? That's the thing. Well. Hmm, I think it's not about instance thing. If the dir is not equals to the given directory, that's the whole thing, right? So let's try to do one more time. Filer 37, no 35. Attempt to index a null value. Which one? Mm, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, got it. Mm, Lower dot current, like that. Like that, like that, and like that. So we have to check as well. There we go. Yeah, it's working. Let's open a little bit bigger directory to test. Let's go to motionfx. So this is the thing. This is a mono repository. So let's try to open another directory like workspace. Yeah, it's working. If I open this thing, or if I open current one, it's just a single instance, nothing special. Perfect. Let's extend this to the previous commit as well. This one. One doing here. These are nothing. Here, 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 here. I don't wanna, okay, let's just include this one as well. And yeah, this one is also okay. Let's extend those things. All right, so by the way, guys, if you want to ask anything about this plugin or what I'm doing here in this live stream, you can ask. Just comment down below. I can read every comment. Right. So, well, there is a pull request. I'm thinking how this flip going. It's not even updating. Not a problem. Let's see how track buffer thing is working or not. If I want to, let's go like cd into home directory, open this thing. If I want to focus a particular file like .zshrc, so let's do that. File.track buffer. Do we have any file? Okay, so home username and .zshrc. Yeah, this API is also working. Perfect. Just give me a second. Okay, so what's next? Now let's implement some tests. Maybe where should we start? This is the lib for Windows, and I think it's doing great, I guess. If we delete those things, I mean, that struct is no longer the whole thing is not useful. Let's delete the whole package here. We no longer need that. Let's go to Filer and do make. So we have one test file which is working. How pathetic. By the way, this window is working. Actually, we are not testing its full capabilities, but it's okay. I can update this thing later, but for now it's plenty. Yeah, it's plenty now. So let's create some more files. So what's the next thing that we want to test? Okay, so this is the lib. Lib is a, oh man. Oh man. Lib is literally a big thing to test. Holy sh. What's the time? Hi Zainab, welcome to live stream. Guys, it's I think it's getting too late for. I think we should implement test on tomorrow's live stream because it's too much. Yeah, you can see the lib directory is too big to implement uh, all those tests in this live stream. So I think we can implement test on tomorrow's live stream. Yeah, you are right, Sana. So guys, thank you for watching this live stream. I know some people are just joining the live stream. Too bad, but it is what it is. I have some limitations too. So see you guys in the next stream. Until then, bye bye. Good night.